To open SIM slot on the Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is just simply grab your phone, and on the left side of your phone, here you can find the SIM tray and the pin to open the SIM tray, and you can do this using the SIM tool, which comes included in the box. Simply take it, and from here you have to insert this pin into this little pinhole right here. Carefully do this and push it just to open up the SIM tray. Hold on. Push it all the way in and then push with more force and until the SIM tray ejects. And from here you can grab it with your nails, and even though you have short nails, you can grab it with no problem and take it out just like this, as you can see. And yeah, that is how to open up the SIM slot in the Redmi A5.